It's time to work on my nails again, and the winter is kind of ruining them. Unfortunately, it's really dry. The air is so dry. The humidity is low, and it's technically not winter yet, but it's winter weather. My nails need some serious TLC. I can grow them really, really long, but once this air hits, it's dry, brittle, breaking, peeling. I really wanted to try my own gel nails at home. I got this kit from Amazon. It's the model ones. I got the base coat and top coat, and I got some colors that are more neutral pink tones just to sample their products and see how it goes. I have my own UV light, so let's get at it and see how this works. I just purchased this and it arrived yesterday. It's the Model Ones base coat and top coat. It was $5.94 from Amazon and it arrived pretty quickly. I also purchased the Model Ones gel nail polish. This was $8.54 from Amazon. Also, it has the transparent gel tones. I'm pretty excited about this kit. The base and top coat mentions wiping your nails with alcohol before you apply the base coat, so I'm going to do that first. This is rubbing alcohol and I keep it in a little dropper. My nails have been prepped and you can see that some of them are pretty short now. I filed them down as they were cracking and peeling. The air is just so dry, and a few of them are a little bit longer, and I like that. I want my nails to grow and I don't want to shorten them if I don't have to. Our first step is to apply the base coat. We're going to apply a thin layer to each fingernail, and then we're going to cure each nail for 1 minute under the LED light. Here are the 6 colors, and the one complaint I have is on the Amazon page they're not matching up the color swatches with the number, so I know which one is which. I'm going to make a wild guess here and go with this tone and see how that works, and I'll just have to make a mental note as I'm going through them which color is which. Apply 1 coat of the polish, then cure it for a minute, and then apply a second coat if you want, and cure it again for a minute. And if you want an extra rich tone, to apply a 3rd coat and then cure that one. It actually works better if I hold the lamp, curl my fingers like this so all of them get the light at the same time. For now, I'm going to add the top coat. When that's added to each nail, I'm going to cure that also for 1 minute. I am all finished and it really didn't take that long. I did have to cure my nails extra than the 1 minute. I actually did about 1.5 minutes for the color because honestly I put it on too thick here, and you can kind of see it's very thick. With the top coat, it hardened a bit more. On my right hand, I applied much thinner coats, but I still need to practice to get this right. And the instructions mentioned a thinner, and I definitely am going to look into that because I think it's really worth it. The color is beautiful as far as that jelly color tone, and I'm excited to try the other tones as well. The bottles are really small as far as the color goes, but the base and the top coat are a good size. The different kit options on Amazon are quite large. You can buy a whole kit that includes the UV lamp. You don't have to separate the kit like I did, where I purchased the top and base coat separately and then the 6 colors in a separate kit as well. What I'm going to be looking for as an update is how long the nails have lasted. Obviously, with the thinner coat on the right hand versus the thicker coat, there's going to be a bit of a difference. I'm suspecting that these will peel pretty quickly, which is what we don't want. And also, if they really did protect my nails underneath and let me be able to grow them and have a bit of more of a protection over the winter months.